Derek.
Yeah, pleasure.
Rajiv.
Nice to meet you, Rajiv.
Rajiv. So there are two operations in this one, or maybe three. One is manual, card, and auto.
Okay.
Now when you put a system in manual, it will only take your command and will work until you make it work with all the buttons I will tell you. In the card mode, it will accept only the cards, which you have to show a card here, RFID card. And if you put it in auto, then it will take a card, clicker, and as well a keypad if someone clicks the button.
So we'll have cards that tenants will have.
Yes. Have cards and clickers.
Do they leave it in their car or they like?
Yeah. So basically, it's the same thing. Clicker like your garage opener and all, and the cards. So first we will start with the manual operation. Or the manual operation. The system is in manual. Everything has its number. Like if you can see here, platform number 001. This came from a basement. That is 101, 102. Now how the numbering is done is this is important here. You have to see on the first floor, the platforms are with 101, 102. If there are more 103, 104 like that, it will be all. When you go one basement down, it becomes 001, 002, 003. In the other system, there is one more basement, so it becomes 011, 012, 013. Now the same thing, if there is a floor above, it becomes 201, 202, 203. Then if there is a third floor there, then it becomes 301, 302, 30. That's the convention. We always go from left to right. Okay. Now this 101 and 102 are the platforms which are on the ground floor, but because there is a hole, so it's always been filled by another platform from down or up to make it. So this is the gate. Now that's safety gate, which is if you are working in a manual or the system in a manual, you are in a control of everything. So you want to open a gate, just first thing you have to do is 999 and then you're recording, right?
Yep.
Press run. Once it goes, then this is up and down. The gate will only do up and down. So it will do up. So it's, if you are pressing the, holding the button, it will go up. If you release it, it will stop. Okay, again, if you keep it pressed, it will always stop in its own position. If you keep it pressed also, it will always stop with the limit. Now once this is open, now if you have to service any of the platform or something, like you want to bring this down again, 001. So because there is already a number, you have to do escape so that everything becomes, it's same like in your computer, you do escape. Then you put 001 and run the platform number and run. And now this platform goes up and down. So what you have to do is, it will go down. So you keep it pressed, start it going down. The same principle applies here. If I remove my hand, it will stop. Same, keep it going, it will stop by itself when it goes to the down position. It will stop. Manual is always used in a maintenance mode, or if there is an issue or something, you're fixing something, otherwise manual is not used. Now I want to move this 101 here, one side, because this is open here. So again press escape. Remember, always has to be 101. That's that platform number, run. And then this is now arrow this side and this side. This one, this side. So we have to move this way. So we have to use this arrow. These platform doesn't go up and down. These are the sliding one. Ground is always a sliding one, but as the EV chargers, they will go left and right. They will never go up and down. Okay, again, it will come here. It will stop in its own position. You keep it pressed also, it will not move. Same applies to that one. If I do 102, run, and then it's again same thing. You remove your hand, it will stop. Keep going. It's just purely a manual operation where you are controlling everything for maintenance or something. This here. Now Same applies to coming up. If this is, you want to bring this platform, it is 003. Of course, the gate is open. This is this manual mode. You have to see by yourself. Nothing will stop you to go down. So again, if I say 003, why don't you do it one time so that?
Sure.
Okay, we're gonna bring a 00. We wanna
Hit
bring
escape, right? So
Yeah,
clear it
it's
out?
escape. Yeah, everything is
Alright.
cleared up.
003.
3, run.
Run.
Run is like a enter.
Yeah.
And then we are going up here. Keep it pressed. So we'll come up.
No, there's no way I can move 001 up right now.
No,
right?
those only slide. The EV charger platform only slide.
Well, I mean,
left
like
and
the 001 below here, it
no.
wouldn't go
Yeah,
up, right?
you can move in the manual. Interlocks are bypassed.
Oh, okay.
You can do that thing, but it's just because you are doing by yourself.
Right. But
So-
we shouldn't do it.
In a manual, we have removed the basically many of the safety interlocks just for an operation perspective,
Got
for
it.
a maintenance, but not operation. Maintenance perspective, if you want to move a slight little up that guy from
Sure.
down one, so you can do it.
Okay.
So that comes. That's all the manual. Now, coming back again, how to close the door. I told you how to open a door, which is 999. Now you close the door is opposite 666, and then you press run, and then now you come down. So that comes down. Always remember when you are done with your maintenance, when you are done with your manual mode and all, close the door, then only put the system in auto. Don't put the system in auto. It will not run if the door is open and you say, okay, everything is good. You put it in auto and go and it's not working because the gate is open. It will not close the gate. Now, once you are in full auto, card mode is we have to swipe the card. So in full auto mode, we have 3 options. We can swipe a card, we can do a clicker, and we can even input the number of our car and it will come.
Okay.
Now, here in this small garage or any other garage, like 101 is here right now. Nothing has to move, right?
Right.
If I just say, okay, 101, run, it will just open a gate because your car is ready to be. Okay? Now, on contrary, now once this is open, you go inside, there is a sensor which blinks if it is, that's a safety, it's from the front and back both. There is a sensor in front and back to see whether the car is not over length. Height we have to, by itself, they will put those yellow color posts so that override car doesn't come. Now that will take care of the length. Now once you take the car out, once the car is out, I am talking about the auto. Now you take the car out, you have to stop and come out, you have to close the door. You cannot do it with the clicker, you cannot do it with anything, you have to come out because that's where the safety comes in picture, that you're coming out and you're telling this gate to be closed, no one is inside, like maybe someone is running inside, you cannot close, you have to tell them, okay, come out. Then you press 201, this code might change, I will put the sticker here. Maybe this code in the auto is 201 right now, but I think I might change it, but I will update you. It's just 201 and say run, it will close. Now you don't have to press anything. Its system is in auto.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's closed. Now you can take your car out. Now the next person comes. Let's say next person comes as 001, right? So what will happen? 001, run. So first thing, that platform goes down. Then these two sit there.
Gotcha.
Then that platform will come out. That's why it's called a puzzle parking, like in my childhood, just
Yeah.
move this thing and then bring this down and all. So it's the same thing. So now once it goes down, it settles in the position. These both will sit. Basically the speed, so both are moving. They will all move to clear the space for this guy to come up. Now all the motion will happen only when the door is closed in auto motion. There will nothing be moving like this. Like the gate is open, there nothing will be moving.
So let's say I'm coming and I'm parking, I don't need to get out and press the
If
button.
you have a clicker, yeah, you don't have to get out. You just click and then it will come. But if you have a card and you have an option of putting that thing, like you forgot your clicker or your battery is less or something, you
Right.
can come and put your number.
If you're leaving and you have a clicker, you'll need to get out of your car.
Yes. Yeah, that option is not given because if you are leaving and you just click it and the door closes, you don't know who. yes, someone is there. So because this is not a very fully automated system, there is another system which we install, which is a fully automated. You don't have to worry about it. Just so everything is software will take care. Now here 001 came back. You drive out again. You come out and then again you have to press 201. Done. Door closed. You can leave. That's the only process which is, and it's same common with this small one, and it's the same thing with the big one. Only thing is that there the numbering change, like I told you, there it will do the same thing. Yeah. So recorded, we can go there.